This video demonstrates how to properly set up and use the Vive 8 Mode TENS unit. Before first use, fully charge the unit using the USB-C cable and wall adapter. Charging takes approximately 2 to 3 hours. Attach the electrode pads to the lead wires. For first use, begin with the square pads. Plug the lead wires into output A or output B. All connected electrodes must be attached to the skin before use. Apply the electrodes to clean, dry skin using the pad placement chart. Do not place electrodes across the chest, head, or sensitive areas. Turn the unit on and press the M button to select a massage mode. Each press advances to a new mode block. Press the center button to access the second mode within that block. Press the A/B button to adjust mode B and select your desired intensity. Start at the lowest intensity and increase slowly until a comfortable level is reached. The default treatment time is 10 minutes. Press and hold the center button to increase the timer. Press and hold the A/B button to lock or unlock the unit during treatment. After treatment, power off the device. Remove the electrode pads and place them back onto the plastic backing to maintain adhesion.